Good morning, students. In the last session, we have read the first part of the story, the foolish son-in-law. And before that, in the introductory story regarding the quack and his son and his father-in-law, we have discussed already. And in the SGP1, we have discussed how the son-in-law, newly married son-in-law, planned to go his father-in-law house, and before going there, what the man from his village gave him advice, what do's and don't do at there. And accordingly, the son-in-law followed his advice and did three things. What are those three things? That use of big and high sounding word, sit at a higher place, and say no to food at first time. Accordingly, when he went to his father-in-law house, there he used very big and high sounding words to her grandmother, like sweetest, kindest, greatest, and gentlest. Then he sat on a pile of paddy sacks as a high place, and when his mother-in-law offered him rice pudding as per the advice of the man of his village, he said no to eat rice pudding. But accidentally 2-3 drops of rice pudding fell on the plate, and he tasted it, and after getting the sweet taste of the rice pudding, he got an interest to eat the rice pudding. As he denied for the first time, his mother-in-law kept the rice pudding in a sika, a sika made of rope and hang from your roof, and he was watching it where his mother-in-law is keeping the rice pudding. And now in this part of the story, we will read whether the son-in-law able to eat that rice pudding or not. Now listen to me reading the story. At the dead of night, he tried to get pudding from the pot, but unfortunately it fell on his head. His whole body was smeared with rice pudding like gum. What to do now? He thought to himself. He saw freshly plowed cotton spread on a mat to dry. He slept on it and turned 2 to 3 times left and right. Then he looked like a lamb. What to do now? He thought to himself. So he went to the cow shed where some lambs lived. He stayed there throughout the night like a lamb. In the morning, the in-laws searched for their son-in-law and found him in the cow shed. Everyone except the mother-in-law thought him to be foolish, but the mother-in-law so pleaded, "My son-in-law is as simple and as innocent as a lamb." This made the father-in-law very angry. He was also very angry for other reasons. His wife took too much care of her foolish son-in-law. She gave him good food but neglected her husband. The son-in-law, living in comfort, was not willing to go home. Okay? Let us try to comprehend the story, this part of the story. The son was watching her mother-in-law keeping the rice pudding in the sika, which was hanged from the roof. And at dead of night means a deep night. Dead of night means we may say sleeping night, or when all other members of his in-law house slept. ସମସ୍ତେ ଯେତେବେଳେ ଶୋଇ ପଡ଼ିଲେ ଗଭୀର ରାତିରେ, he tried to get that pudi from the pot kept in the shika. He was trying to get the pudi, but unfortunately the pudi fell on his head. But unfortunately the pudi fell on his head. Unfortunate, you know, the unfortunate means we may say it in Odia, Durbhagyavasata. Okay, se chesta kortala kintu pudi ta upare padigala. So what happened when pudi fell on his head? His whole body was smeared. S-M-E-A-R-E-D, smeared. Smeared means it spread all over the body, spread all over. Chariade spread all over. Spread all over his body like gum. Gum, you know what is gum? Otha bhaliya deha sara bali hi gala. And what to do now? The son-in-law thought what to do now. At that time he saw some freshly plucked cotton, you know, copper, freshly plucked, sange pluck, P-L-U-C-K, pluck, todi, copper ko todi kama jaye. So freshly plucked cotton were sprayed on a mat to dry. It was sprayed on a motion ta sukha jaytila, and without thinking what to do, what not to do, he slept on the cotton and turned himself 2 to 3 times to left, to right. Means he got the cotton spread on the mat, stuck all over his body. Deha sara cotton lahi gala. Now he was looking like a lamb. You know, lamb have so many cotton likes in their body, in their skin. So the son-in-law now looked like a lamb. How funny things. Then again he thought what to do now. He went to the cow shed of his father-in-law house, and where some lambs were there. So he stayed there throughout the night. Throughout the night means rati sara seti rahila. And when it was morning, the members of his in-law house didn't find him in the bed, so they searched for their son-in-law. Search for, S-E-A-R-C-H, search for. It is a phrase. Search for mane khojile. And where they found their son-in-law, they found their son-in-law in the cow shed. And everyone think he was a foolish person. But his mother-in-law didn't accept him as a foolish. But she pleaded, instead of thinking her son-in-law is a foolish, she pleaded. What do you mean pleaded? Pleaded, taking one side. Taking one side. जनकर पक्ष नवा और ताको कहे प्लीड तो ताको पक्ष नवा और ताको सपोर्ट युक्ति करिबा प्लीड कहे हम कोर्ट मानकर प्लीडर थांदे से माने ताको सपोर्ट युक्ति करंदी. सो से सन इन लॉ रो पक्ष नेकी कहले युक्ति कले माय सन इन लॉ इज एज सिंपल एंड एज इनोसेंट एज ए लैम्ब. Simple. We use the word simple. He is a simple person. Sarala, we say sarala. And innocent. Innocent means niriha. Who is not critical is called innocent. So here another phrases is used as means suppose we use this phrase when we compare two things. Suppose my teeth are as white as paper. Like that, the son-in-law was as simple and as innocent as lamb. Usually we know that lamb is an innocent, simple and innocent animal. We think lamb is very simple, and the mother-in-law also think that her son-in-law is very much simple and innocent, like a lamb. But the father-in-law was not happy on this. He was very angry by the thinking of his wife, the mother-in-law, the son-in-law, that this son-in-law is very foolish, but the mother is taking side of him, and the father-in-law was angry for other reasons also. Other reason, reason. अन्य कारणों को राग लगुला तार son-in-law को जोई को. Why he was angry on his son-in-law? Because his wife was taking maximum care of the son-in-law and neglecting him. That's why the father-in-law was also not happy with the son-in-law as well as his wife. And as the son-in-law living in comfort, taking good care, getting good care from his mother-in-law, he was not willing to return to his home. That's why also the father-in-law was angry on the son-in-law. Okay? From this part, let me ask you some questions and let us try to answer those questions. So, what happened when the son-in-law tried to get the pot of pudding? What happened when the son-in-law tried to get the pudding from the pot? Unfortunately, the pudding fell on his head. When the son-in-law tried to get the pudding from the pot, it fell on his head. What did he look like when he turned on cotton? When he turned on cotton, he looked like a lamb. When he turned on cotton, he looked like a lamb. What are the two funny sides? The first funny side, there are two funny sides. The first funny side was when he was looking like a lamb, and the second funny side was when he was staying with the lambs in cow shed. There are two funny sides. दुईटा मजा के दिशा प्रथम से जिते दिशुला मेंढा भाया द्वितीय दिशुला से जिते मेंढा शाल रही मेंढा मान सहित राति सारा रहा. What did the in-law find him in the morning? शशुर लोक मैंने कौटी पाइले. What did they find him? They found him in the cow shed. Who thought him to be police? All the members of his in-law house thought him to be police except his mother-in-law. माँ को ससुर को छेड़ दिले समझते जाकर ताको पुलिस में ले. Why was the father-in-law angry? The father-in-law was angry because his wife taking so much care of son-in-law, neglecting him, and the son-in-law is a foolish one. Will the son-in-law stay there for longer day or not? We will read in the next part of the chapter. That's all for now. Thank you.